45-minute trip across to Green Island this morning. Conditions are pretty good, but just remember if you are up to the first thing we're going to deal with today.
We've also got some of our resident giant clams. You'll see some on both sides of the boat. Now these giant clams, they estimate to be between 80 and 100 years old. Now they weigh around about half a tonne, so don't try and pick them up while you're snorkeling or swimming today. Now they are very food, and what they spit out the other end is nice clean white sand, so they're known as a vacuum cleaner. At a resort out here at Green Island, it was actually one of the first smoking and harvesting stations for the sea cucumber farmers. They used to They do this for a few reasons. First of all, it's where they live, of course. It's where they have their babies. It's where they're hungry. See them all coming in now towards the boat. It's the first trip of the day, so they're due for their breakfast. So what's going to happen now, I'll be heading upstairs and feeding the fish for you on both sides of the window. Now for some introductions. Now first of all, you would have seen that very large blackfish scooting past the window at great speeds. That's known as a giant. Now what else have we got? Now the olive green coloured fish with the little yellow fins on the side of their body.
Crocodile feeding, which will be the last activity that we have for you today. Now, as well as the two core activities, the handling and the feeding, we're also going to do a brief of a turtle feed as well. Tell me about turtles.
It covers an area equivalent to that of approximately the same as 70 million football fields. Now, corals we've got hard corals and soft corals. We've got more of the softer coral variety around Green Island. They are vacuum cleaners of the ocean floor. They suck up the sand, removing any bacteria, and around Green Island was actually getting damaged by the crown of thorn starfish. Crown of thorn starfish, but it was just an outbreak. Now the giant clam, he can weigh up to 250 kilos.
Oh, look at those fish. Nemo's friend. Nemo's
And inside the coral patches, you might see nice bright bluey green.
Those fishes are
We got the spangled emperors and we got the giant trevallies there. D-leaf trevally, yellow-tailed fusiliers, a few long toms. Those guys, when there's a few of them, you find that the nice spot, they call rabbitfish, and a yellow spot near their tail. On the odd occasion we will see the reef shark out here, black tip or white tip reef shark.
maja. 100 aastat. Meie hotell Keltsis.
Ai, minä ja kõik
We're going down that hallway.
Come over here. Come over this side here.
Oh, thank you.
Osa raisk. Nuppu jälle. Mulle läks praegu.